Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm frying some breadfruit that I get from Jamaica. Hey, breadfruit sweet.
Jay, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister Jay, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there inna the pot. Sister Jay, she no play to the world where we say when a time be cook, she no delay. Me swear.
So here's my breadfruit. They were in the freezer, have them thawed out and just sprinkle some salt on them. It's time to fry. I have my oil on the fire. Now I'm adding my breadfruit. And I'm gonna fry them till they're golden brown. That's how I like them. And these breadfruit come straight out of St. Thomas, Jamaica. Roast breadfruit sweet. May I tell you? So I just fry them up nicely. And when it comes to breadfruit, you can serve it with the protein of your choice. Salt fish, mackerel, fried fish, stew fish, cabbage, callaloo, anything you want to serve it with. It's all up to you. Can go good with some curry chicken too. Yeah, man. See the breadfruit there? Look how it look. Straight out of St. Thomas, Jamaica. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Stay safe. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Subscribe for more on YouTube. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.